What is up, guys? James here. Thanks for coming back again for another time in the shop here, spend a little time with me. We're doing a major upgrade on the shop today. I'm so excited. I mean, can you see this sweat on my forehead? This is not fake sweat. It is real sweat because it's in Florida and it's hot as balls. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. That's like a dream come true. This is a Goodman 4-ton unit. It's gonna be laying on its side like that. So I was just checking out how this drain pan works. This will be the bottom here. And so you've got, if it's standing up and down, then the drains go down and you got your drains here. But since we're gonna be laying it, we're gonna be using these ones. And so it looks like any water dripping off these coils would drip down on here and then come out. And then I also have a secondary drain pan right there that's going to be laying underneath it. So I'll show you guys my drawings and my plans. It's going to be mounted up here. I already got the power dropped. My buddy Tommy came over from TC Electric and hooked me up there, and they got the power run through the wall from the main panel out for the outside unit. And then we're going to be going up into the ceiling with the suction and the what do you call the other one, the two copper lines that go out to the outside unit. I'm going to go up through the attic and then down, and then the drain lines will just punch through the wall there. So I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to make a couple brackets that hold the unit, and then also a couple more brackets. I'm going to use this metal right here to hold other material, kind of like I got this wood and stuff being held on those brackets. I'm super excited. It is just too damn hot in here. It gets like over 100 degrees here in the shop. Look at this. We'll slide this hole. That's anything else. Just slide this baby. All right, so that's probably 30, 40 pounds. All right, we got the box. We got the, I suppose this is the evaporator coil, maybe? I think that's what it's called. And the fan unit. So both of those are out. Dropped all that weight, so it'll be real easy to throw that up there. I gotta work tomorrow at my regular job, but Saturday I'm gonna weld all this shit up. This is the just my numbers of the material I got, and then I did a CAD drawing of what my plan was to get this baby mounted up there. So let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to be TIG welding this just because I like the TIG and it's not as messy. Not the ideal working conditions here, and I guess I'm too lazy to finish cleaning off this bench. But I got this first piece squared up. I'm just going to tack it in the four corners, get them all tacked, and then I'll weld it up. Good. Absolutely love using the TIG instead of the MIG, because as you can see, if you've never used a TIG or a MIG before, the TIG is clean. There's no splattering going anywhere. So I'm working in shorts, short sleeve. Now I could get sunburned, you know, so I probably should put my sleeves on when I go to weld these up. You know, but there just isn't all the splatter bouncing all over the place and burning into my painted floor and stuff. So that's what I really like about it the most. Alright, so as usual, I go overboard. So I just was looking through my stash and found these, which I must have got from my laser cutter, some drops or something. But I'm going to put that on the end of the bottom brackets, and probably the top one too. You know, for the stuff I got loaded on there, you got to put it up over this. But I'll give it a little decorative thing, and I'll just weld that up. That's the plan. Alright, so I got this first one all welded up. Got my little guys on the end there. Pan's gonna be in here. The final grind. Clean it up a little bit, and I'm gonna throw some paint on them tonight, and then tomorrow I'll hang it up there. Alright, then brackets gonna be like that on the wall. Gotta work fast because this stuff starts getting tacky, and even the roller will start, you know, this will start going bad on you real quick. So if you have to, you actually leave the roller in here and leave it covered in paint like that, and then cover it up with some plastic. All right, I'm gonna whip this other one up real quick. All right, I got my man Jose here. He's helping me finish up the AC unit. He's gonna do the soldering on the lines. All right, my man's up on there, soldering up that one. Trying to not burn everything. I got to do duct work to come out, and then I'm going to probably run along there like that and kick it off both sides. But for now, that should work. All right, we fired it up, did the leak down test for about a half hour. Everything was good. And we're just going to check for the Freon levels now. All right, guys, here's my model of my little flange. I know this is kind of silly, but I had fun making this. It's two-piece. So that can be like that one. There it is. It is set up. It is running. So we're at about it's about 90 degrees outside, about 89, 90 degrees, and I've been gone for about 2 hours. Came back and it's at 79 in here now, which doesn't sound great, but actually feels pretty good in here. I'm sure if I was working, I would still be sweating, but I definitely need to insulate the doors and maybe a few other things. Maybe some more insulation in the roof or the ceiling, above the ceiling. It's pretty loud. A lot of air velocity kicking out there. All right, here is the last piece. Check these babies out. I mean, that just looks really cool. I don't know why. I had so much fun doing this. This is a chrome filament for the 3D printer. I'm using the Ender 3 Pro. And as you can see, I got the little notch there, so it kind of just snaps in together. So bam, gonna put that up there. Let's do that right now. I'm just gonna use some drywall screws. All right, so tell me I'm not the only one that 3D printed a little outlet for their AC system there so that it looks cool.